What is Uniform Civil Code? A uniform civil code refers to a set of laws that govern personal matters such as marriage, divorce, inheritance, adoption, and maintenance for all citizens of a country, regardless of their religious or cultural background. It aims to provide a common set of rules and regulations that are applicable to all citizens, irrespective of their religious beliefs or practices. In many countries, personal laws are based on religious scriptures or customs and vary depending on an individual's religious affiliation. These personal laws can differ significantly in matters such as marriage, divorce, and inheritance, creating disparities and sometimes leading to conflicts. The implementation of a uniform civil code seeks to ensure equality and justice by unifying personal laws across various religions or cultural practices. It aims to establish a common legal framework that upholds fundamental rights and provides equal rights and protections to all citizens, irrespective of their religious or cultural background. The concept of a uniform civil code has been a topic of debate and discussion in many countries, including India. In India, for example, the constitution allows for the implementation of a uniform civil code under Article 44, but its implementation has been a subject of ongoing deliberation due to the diverse religious and cultural landscape of the country. Advocates of a uniform civil code argue that it promotes gender equality, individual rights, and national integration by eliminating discriminatory practices embedded in personal laws. Critics, on the other hand, often raise concerns about cultural and religious sensitivities, arguing that personal laws should reflect the diversity and specific needs of different communities. The implementation of a uniform civil code is a complex and sensitive issue that requires careful consideration of legal, social, and cultural factors to strike a balance between individual rights and community interests.